Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Today in this video, I will explain card visual in the Power BI. Let's move to the screen. So first and foremost, we are required to open the Power BI desktop application. So click on the Windows button, type Power BI desktop and the application will appear on the top of the list. Just click on the Power BI desktop application icon and it will open. Once the application open, we will see this pop-up window, and from pop-up window you can access the recently created Power BI desktop file, or you can create a new one by escaping the pop-up window. I will use the recently created file that's here. Today we will see card visual in the Power BI. So click anywhere in the blank area and go to the visualization, build your visual, and here is the card. So click on that. Once we click on the visual appear on the screen and it is blank, there is nothing. Click on the visual and go to the build your visual, and here we will see the field where we are required to provide the data. So I will use the supermarket sale data, expand the data and bring the gross income to the fields. Just drag and drop. And the aggregation available in the sum is a default, so I will just keep it as it is. Here our simple card visual is ready. So it is just available the value that we have provided. Now let's do the formatting. So click on the visual, go to the format your visual, and here we are able to see that the option that we are able to change. First is the callout value. So callout value, we are able to do the formatting, text formatting here. You can do the text formatting. Display unit, it's auto. You can change the display unit that are available here. I will keep it auto. Decimal, you can keep auto. It is available auto. You can change the decimal as well. Text wrap and source spacing, that you can just feel free to explore. Now go to the category label. So category label, we are able to do the text formatting here, and current color is a gray color. Let's try to make it black, and we can see here our category label turn to the black. I will keep it gray. I will not change it. Okay, that's fine. Now click on the visual. So stay on the formatted visual. So here we are able to do the text formatting only and the display units. Now I will go to the general and do the formatting for the complete card visual. Title, I don't want to include the title, but I will just go to the effect and include the background. So I will include the background color. So I will go and change the yellow color. Transparency, you can decrease the transparency of the background color by drag and drop this slicer. I will make it 50%. Visual border, I will include the visual border. Sorry, I will include the visual border. It is default black. I'm fine with that. I will make it rounded corner to 15. And here we can see our border is available on the card visual and it is a rounded corner. Click on the visual, go to the formatted visual, general and effects, shadow. Let's try to add the shadow, and the default shadow available, it is outside bottom right. That now click anywhere in the outside and we can see our card visual is ready. Now this is the traditional card visual, but recently Power BI has introduced another card visual that also we can see. So click anywhere in the blank area, go to the build your visual, and here we can see the card new. Click on that and the new card will appear on the screen. So I will just align it proper. Now here also we are required to provide the data. So click on the visual, go build visual and data. Here we are able to provide the data. So first I will bring the same thing, gross income, and the aggregation is a sum. And here we can see our visual is ready. Simple visual is ready. Click anywhere outside and we can see the difference. The traditional card is default. All the text stay in the center. But the new card, it has the option we can change the position of the value, whether it's left, whether it's center or right. And the title sum of gross income is on the top. We can change the position of the value of the title of the value, whether above or bottom. We will explore in a moment. So click on the card. The more option, we are able to provide the more value in the same area. Let's try to add that one. uh, i will add the I will add the quantity here, and just expand the type card, and we will see here, we can see the two cards side by side. So this is the advantage of using the new card. In the old card, if you want to add multiple card on the screen, we are able to do it manually, but here in the new card visual, it is accepting the multiple values in the same card visual. Now let's do the formatting. So click on the card visual, go to the format and visual. Under visual, we can see the shape. Shape is currently rectangle. You can change rounded rectangle. We can see the live effect over there. Snippet tab bottom top. Click on that, and it is just changing the shape. So I will just keep it rectangle. That's fine. Call out, call out here all the series. That means it will affect to all the series. Let's see what we can do. Values. So here we can do the text formatting, and the values. Currently values available on the left side. We can change the value position by doing a center or the right. I will keep it on the center. Okay. Text wrap. If the text is very long, you can just wrap the text as well. Decibel value, we can change the display units as well by just by clicking the available options here. Go to the go to the next option is a label, and inside the label, currently label are auto. So label, we can see sum of gross income, sum of quantity, those are label. What we can do, we can do the text formatting for the labels as well. And here the position, current position is available above the value. We can change the below the value as well. Spacings, here the spacing between labels and value. So we can change the space between the value and the labels by changing the amount value here by its default is a 5 px. You can change it depend on your requirement. I will just give it 5 px. Layout currently we have make it center already. Now here we can see this orientation is horizontal. We can make it grid or vertical. Keep it horizontal, that's fine. And we can change the space between two cards as well. Currently is a 5 px. We can change it by just let's say 7 px. So here we can see the space between two card is changing. So I will keep it default 5 px. Now more options available is the last option is a cards, and under the cards there are several options available, but that's cards. Padding, keep it normal. Fill, it's auto available. You can change, you can fill the background color. I will keep it gray, and we can see the same color available. If you want to add a picture, that you can just browse and add the picture here. Border, currently default border available. If you want to increase the width of the border, that you can change it here. Transparency of the border, that able to change. We can add the shadow of the each card, and default shadow available on the bottom right, that we can see it here. A glow, image, accent bar, that you please feel free to explore the available options here. So I will just hide it. I will go to the general and do the format for the complete visual. Title, I will not add the title, but I will go to the effects, add the background color. You can pick any color that you like. I will just pick it the yellow, and we can see the color appear behind the cards. I will just make it transparent a bit, 40%. That's fine. I will add the visual border to the complete visual, and I will make it rounded corner to 15 px. Okay, I will add a shadow to the complete visual as well, and click anywhere outside. bring it to the center, and here we can see our complete visual is ready. So this is the traditional card. In the traditional card, we are going to just copy card multiplier or create the multiple cards and give the different values. But in the new card, we are able to just give the value and it is going to split default. We are required to just do the formatting. So any card you feel free to explore. We are able to use the both the card option available right now. Maybe in the future there would be some changes coming. Maybe traditional card will be disappear and we are able to use the new card only. That's all for the today. Hope you enjoy the card session. I hope you like today's video. Please like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.